Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see questions based on direct proportion for year 7 students. Let's get started. Direct proportion. Given that y is directly proportional to x, find the values of p and q. These are the x values given to us, 10, 15 and q. We have y values also. At 10 we have 6, at 15 we have p, and at q I have 27. We need to find the values for p and q. They have given you that y is directly proportional to x. As we remove the proportional sign, we know that we have to put one constant which is equals to k multiplied by x. First, I need to find out the value for k. For that, I will substitute this value. If x is equal to 10, y is equal to 6. Let's substitute this here. Y is equal to 6, that is equals to k times x is equal to 10. K is equal to 6 by 10. If I cancel it out with 2, that will be 3 and 10 will be cancelled out with 5. My value for k is equal to 3 by 5. The function will become y is equal to 3 by 5x. I have to calculate now the value for p. P is the y value I have to calculate. At p, the x value is 15. Let's substitute here. When y is equal to p, that is equals to 3 by 5, x value is 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. The value for p is equal to 3 times 3 is 9. That is the value for p. Let's find out the value for q. Q is the x value. At q, the y value is 27. Let's substitute this value here. When y is equal to 27 is equal to 3 by 5, x value is q. Let's do the cross multiplication here on this side. 27 multiplied by 5 is equal to 3q. Q will be given as divide 3 on this side, that will be equal to 27 multiplied by 5 over 3. If I cancel this out with 27, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. The value for q is 45. This is my q value. Let's see the next example here. In each of the following, state which two variables are in direct proportion. Y is equal to 2x square. I need to say that y is directly proportional to which quantity. When the function is directly proportional to something, we give the constant k. When we have to find out the value for k, we are substituting the values for x and y. If we can see from here, y is directly proportional to x, we can write down as y is equal to kx. If I move this x on this side, this will be written as y over x is equal to k. K is a constant. If I write down all the functions in such a way that is equals to some constant, this will give me that the function y is directly proportional to this x value. We will just write down all the questions accordingly. This will be written as y is equal to 2x square. If I divide this x square on this side, that will be written as y over x square is equal to 2. 2 is a constant. You can say that this is k. This shows you that y is directly proportional to x square. Let's write down here the answer as x square. Let's see the next question here. 3x is equal to 5y. I have to write down y over x. I will divide this x on this side. This will be written as 3 is equal to 5y over x. I will divide this 5 on this side. That will be written as 3 by 5 is equal to y over x, which is a constant. 3 by 5 a constant. This shows you that y is directly proportional to x. Let's write down here y is directly proportional to x. Let's see the third example here. Y is equal to cube root of x. Let's divide this cube root on this side. This will be written as y over cube root of x. This is equals to 1. Why 1? Because this is multiplied by 1. Any number is multiplied by 1 will give you the number itself. This will be 1, which is a constant k. It shows you that y is directly proportional to cube root of x. Let's write on the answer here as cube root of x. Let's see the next example here. Y square is equal to x by 2. Y square is directly proportional to which function? Can we divide this x on this side? This will be written as y square over x is equal to half, which is a constant k. It shows you that y square is directly proportional to x. Let's write down the answer here as x. Let's see the next example here. Y is equal to x plus 1. Y minus 1 is directly proportional to which function? I have to make the function y minus 1. So I need to take this plus 1 on other side and that will become y minus 1. Y minus 1 is equal to x. Let's divide this x on this side. This will be written as y minus 1 over x. This is a function which is equals to 1, which is equals to a constant k. This shows you that y minus 1 is directly proportional to x. Let's write down here. It's directly proportional to x. Let's see the next example here. Y is equal to 1 over x. I can't do the multiplication of x on this side because that will become yx is equal to 1. I have to write down in such a way that the x value should be in the denominator. Let's divide 1 over x on other side. This will be written as y over 1 over x is equal to 1 because this is multiplied by 1. I am taking this 1 over x completely on the other side. This will show you that y is directly proportional to 1 over x. Y is directly proportional to 1 over x. That will be your answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.